Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2017. Here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for the output of executing the following C program is. Okay, here they have missed. I didn't written slash stdio.h. Okay, so any C program will start executing from main method. Once we go into the main block, they have declared one static int x equal to 0, means they have declared one x variable with initialization value as 0 and it's of static variable. You know the meaning of static variable. Static variable means even though if you move our control to outside of another block, then this value won't change. Means for a static variable, memory will be allocated only once and the data will be changed multiple times if it requires. Then they have declared one more variable, I variable integer type with a value 5. They have taken one for loop and based upon this for loop, this block is going to execute. And they have initialized already is 5 greater than 0, they are writing. Condition 5 greater than 0. Yes, condition is true. When condition is true, it is going to execute x equal to x plus x value is what? 0 plus total of what? Total of I means 5, total of 5. It's a kind of function, right? This function is going to call this function. Total of I means here it is going to pass what value? 5. Means here it is going to create one variable 5. Int v means it is going to create one variable 5. Total of 5. Here they have declared one count variable. What kind of count variable? Integer static count variable means even though my cursor will move to this block, this main block, this value won't change. That is the meaning of count variable, count static variable. Okay, so this value won't change. Memory will be allocated only once. Yes, count value is initially 0. Then it is going to perform while v. While v means while some positive value, it is going to execute this block continuously. So this block I can write like count equal to count plus v and 1. V and 1 means count plus count value is what? 0 plus v value is what? 5. 5 and 1. This is a kind of what operator? And operator, right? And operator, it is going to convert into binary format. So binary format of 5. First I am going to explain clearly. Binary format of 5 I can write like 101 and in the same way one binary operator I can write like 001. When we perform binary AND operation over these two digits like 101 and 001, AND operation when it is going to true, when both values are true then only the result is true. See, when both are true then only the result is true. If at least one is false, true false, false true or false false, in all these cases it is going to make a false statement. So when both are true, as true, true means 1, remaining 100. So 001 means what value? 1. So this entire value is going to replace with 1. Now 0 plus 1, 1. That value is going to replace with the count variable. Okay, fine. So this statement is completed. Next, v right arrow brackets equal to 1. This I can write like v equal to b greater than 1. The meaning of this one is right shift operators. We can call it as right shift operators. Okay. So right shift operators of v is what? 5. Right shift operator 1 means 5 binary digit what? 101. We can represent 5 in 101. Right shift of 1 means the meaning of this one is for this binary number I am going to right shift by 1 digit everything. So if I right shift to here, what will happen? Here it will get 0. Here 1 will comes to this particular location. This 0 will goes to this location. 0 1 0. This 1 will be eliminated. So whenever I perform right shift operation, you will get the value 0 1 0. Yes, right? So 0 1 0 value is what? 2. 2. That value will be stored in V now 2. 2. Now, as it is a while loop, again call back. While V is some positive value. So then once again it is going to loop. Count plus equal to. Once again I can write like this. Count plus. Count plus means count value is sorry. Count value is what? Count value is 1 plus V and 1. V and 1. V value is what? 2. 2 means I can write 0 1 0. 1 means 0 0 1. And operation means 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. So total V and 1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is once again 1 will be updated to here. Next line V right shift 1. V right shift 1 means V value is what? 2. 2 means 0 1 0. Right shift 1 means 1 digit shift to the right side. So 1 digit shift to the right side means this 0 skipping. In this 0 place it is going to get 1. In this place it is going to get 0. This place it is going to get 0 0 1. So my 0 0 1 means the value 1. The value 1. Now while positive value, yes, some positive value going to loop. Count plus, what is the count value? 1 plus V and 1. V value is what? 0 0 1. 1 means 0 0 1. Total value is 0 0 1. So here it is going to get 1. 1 plus 1, 2 is updated in the count variable. Now V right shift 1. V value is what? 0 0 1. If you make right shift, this right shift eliminated, this right shift 0, this right shift 0, here 0. So V right shift means here you will get 0. When you get 0 here, again while loop, while V means 0. 0 means this will fail and my cursor will comes to here. It is going to return count. When it is going to return count, a count will be returned to where? This particular location. So total of 5 is replaced with what value? Count. Count value is what? 2. Now 0 plus 2, 2. That value will be replaced here. Replaced here. Yes. I got 2 now. Now this statement is complete. When the statement is completed, my cursor will move to increment or decrement. I minus minus. That is I value decremented by 1, that is 4. Now 4 greater than 0. Yes. Then x equal to x plus x value is what? 2. 2 plus total of what? I. I means 4. Once again I am erasing all thing. Once again I will clearly explain. I hope you remember the previous value. Here previous count value is, you have remembered it as 2. That is what that 2 it is written, right? Previous count value as 2. Now when I call total of 4, again my cursor will move to this particular location. Now V value is modified to 4. Listen carefully if you didn't understand the previous step. V value is 4. Now this statement won't execute because this memory will be allocated only once. This only one, so this statement won't execute. So count value won't modify. This is important here. Okay, fine. Next while of it, yes, some positive value enter into the block. Then count equal to, this statement I am going to write like count equal to count plus V binary and 1. V value is what? V value is 100. 4 I can write like 100 and 1 I can write like 001. 100 001. If I perform AND operation, you will get 0 0 0. So total this value is replaced with 0. Count value is what? 2. 2 plus 0 is once again 2. This statement is completed. Then V right shift to 1. V right shift to 1 means 100. Right shift 1 means 1 digit is shifting towards right. This eliminated, this will be shifted to here 0, this will be shifted to here 1, here we will get 0. 0 1 0 I can write in decimal digit as 2. So V value is updated to like 2. Now cursor will move to here. While of V, yes, while of 2, some positive value. Count equal to count plus. So count value is what? Count value is 2 plus 2 value I can represent like 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1 here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If you make binary and you will get 0, 0. Means this value is 0. 2 plus 0, 2. That value will be here. Now this statement is executed. That means V right shift 1. V right shift 1 means 2. 2 right shift 1 means this is 2, right? Right shift 1 means 0 discarded. 0 will here 1 will come. This 1 will come. This 0 will come. Here 0, 0, 1. Means you will get 1. That 1 will be updated here. Now while of 1. Yes, some positive value. Enter into the block. Count equal to count plus. Count value is what? 2 plus V and 1. 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1. So total what value will get? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. You will get 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 if I represent in decimal format you will get 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. That 3 will be updated to count. So here you will get 3. Now V right shift 1. V value is what? 1. 0, 0, 1. Right shift 1 means discarded. This will be right shift. This will be right shift. Here will be 0. Means V value is replaced with 0. Now cursor will move to while loop. While of 0. Condition fail. When condition fail, automatically it comes out of the block and it will return count value. Count value is what? 3. 3 will be shifted, moved to this total of 4. Now total of 4 is replaced with 3. 2 plus 3, 5. That 5 will be replaced with x value. Now x value is 5. X value is 5. Now this statement is complete. Now cursor will move to decrement operator. Decrement by 4, 4 by 1 means 3. 3. Once again I am erasing. Yes. Now count value is 3. You know. Now once again I value will be decremented by 3. Now once again it is going to execute. 3 greater than 0? Yes. X equal to x plus. X value is what? 5 plus total of I. I value is what? 3. 3. So it is going to pass 3 here. V will be now 3. Now 3. Now this statement won't execute as it is a static variable. Now while of 3. Yes, condition is true. Count equal to count plus. Count equal to count plus V and 1. Count value is what? 3 plus V value is what? 3. 3 in binary format 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. If you apply AND operation 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you will get 1 decimal. So this entire thing is replaced with 1. 3 plus 1, 4. That will be updated in count variable. So here 4. Next statement, V right shift 1. V value is 3. If I right shift by 1, this will be discarded. This 1 will be comes to here. This 0 will be comes to here. Here you will get 0, 0. 0. Sorry. See. I did mistake here. Right shift by mistake. V value 3. I can represent like in the binary format 0, 1, 1. If I right shift, this 1 will be discarded. This 1 will comes to here. This 0 will comes to here. 0, 0 will be comes to here. So 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 decimal format is 1. Will be updated here. Okay. Now while of V, yes, some positive value, condition will goes to loop. Now count equal count plus. Count value is what? 4. 4 plus 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 you will get 1. So 4 plus 1 total value is 5 will be updated in the count variable. Now we right shift by 1. V value is what? 1. 1 right shift by 1 means discarded. 0 will comes to here. This 0 will comes to here. 0. Triple 0. Triple 0 decimal format is 0. Means V value is 0. While of V. condition fail, it is going to return count. Count it is going to return means what value it is going to return? It is going to return 5 to this particular location. So this entire value is replaced with 5. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 we have updated to here, x value. So now my result is 10. Next statement, it is going to execute increment or decrement, that is decrement. So 3 by minus 1, that is 2. Minus 2. Okay. Now I value will be 2. Now once again check condition. 2 greater than 0? Yes. X equal to x plus. X value is what? 10. 10 plus total of I. I value is what? 2. Total of 2. Once again cursor will move to here and will call the value by passing 2. Now V value is what? V value is 2. This statement won't execute while of 2. Yes, condition is true. Count equal to count plus. Count equal to count plus V and 1. Count value is what? 5 plus V value is what? 2. 2 binary representation 0 1 0, 1 binary representation 0 0 1. When we perform 0 1 0 0 0 1 AND operation, you will get 0 0 0 0. Mean this entire statement is replaced with 0. 5 plus 0, 5 will be replaced with the count variable value 5. Now we right shift by 1. If we replace right shift by 1, that means by 2 binary format is 0 1 0. Right shift by 1 means this will comes to here, this will comes to here, last digit I am going to add 0. 0 0 1 means 0 0 1 is decimal format is 1. So V value is 1 now. Now while of V, yes, true value, then count equal to count plus. Count value is what? 5 plus V value 0 0 1 and 0 0 1. 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 is 0 0 1. So this value is replaced with 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6. Then we right shift by 1. V value is 1. Right shift by 1 means this 0 will comes to here, this 0 will comes to here, last is 0. You will get decimal value as 0. That will be replaced with V. So V value is. Now once again checking. While V, condition is 0, condition fail, counts out and it's going to return count. Count value is what? 6 it is going to return. 6 value. Now 10 plus 6, 16. 16 is updated in the local x static variable. 16 will be updated. Now it is going to once again decrement. Decrement I value by 1 means you will get her value as 1. 1 is 1 greater than 0? Yes, condition is true. Then x equal to x plus. X value is what? 16. 16 plus total of 1. So it is going to call this function. I am going to erase once again. With a value here by passing 1 means V value is now 1. Now this statement won't execute, while of V, yes, some positive value true. Now count equal to count plus V and 1. What is count value? Count value is 6 plus V value is 1. 1 binary representation 0 0 1 and 1 binary representation 0 0 1. When 0 0 1 and 0 0 1, you will get 0 0 1, that is 1. So total 6 plus 1, 7. 7 will be updated in the count variable value. Yes, updated. Now we right shift by 1. V value is 0 0 1. Right shift by 1 means this 0 will comes to here, this 0 will comes to here, 0 will come. So decimal representation of 0 0 1 is right shift by 1 is 0. So that will be updated here, 0. While of V, while of 0, fail, condition fail. When condition fail, control will comes to here, it is going to return count. That count will be returned to here. What is the count it is going to return? 7. It is going to return this 7. So total 16 plus 7, that is 23. 23 will be updated to in the local static x variable. 23 will be updated. Now it is going to perform decrement operation. Decrement 1 by 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now it is going to check the condition. Is 0 greater than 0? condition fail, mean this condition fail. When this condition fail, it will comes out of the block and there are no other statements are there, so it will comes out of the block and it will execute printf percentage d comma x. Percentage d comma x means it is going to print the x variable value. What is that x variable value? 23. So my answer is 23. This way you need to solve. It will be very huge problematic, but if you understand this concept clearly, like how to use the static variable and how my cursor is moving and how this right shift operator is working and what is this binary AND operator, if you know these 3 points, you can easily solve this one. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.